and welcome back to Keyboard Surfer. So, have you ever wondered about using Android apps on your PC but didn't know how to do so? So, then you are lucky because in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to use Android apps on your PC smoothly without any. So, first of all, go to Google Chrome and search for Big Knox. And the first website that you are seeing is where you have to download an app called Knox Player free Android emulator on PC and Mac. So this is the file that you have to download. This will be of 300 MB. So after you have done that, just install it and now you will get something like this. Just open it and let it load. So as you can already see that it is very fast. Now let's wait for it to get loaded. Sometimes it shows up, just click on close. So the first thing that you have to do is go into system settings and go into performance settings and set it to low, middle or high. So it depends on you, whatever you want to keep it on. Usually it will be on middle. So if you don't want to let it consume more memory of your computer, like I have 8 GB RAM and so i5 processor, so I have kept it to low so it doesn't consume much of my computer's energy. The next is the resolution settings. So in the resolution settings, I would prefer you to keep it on 1280 x 720. And the next setting is in the game settings. So in this setting, you have to set this to 30 for better performance. And now here you also have to click on enable rendering cache and click on OK. And after you have done these settings, just fix the shortcuts and then save the settings. Now it is ready for use. First of all, go to Play Store if you want to download any apps, and after, whenever you will come here for the first time, it will ask you your Gmail address. So just fit it and here you go. Now you are able to use all of these apps and etc. on your computer. To prove it that it is working, let's download any app that we can see over here. Let's say Flipkart. Just click on install. And to download, you should have an active internet connection on your computer. So here you can see that it's 99%. It's installing. And let's wait for it to get installed. Here you can see that there are all the apps that are in your Play Store, and for your information, this emulator has Android 7 version in it. Let's wait for it to be installed. It takes some time to get installed so that it runs smoothly. As you can see that it is installed now, just click on open and your screen will turn like this. So it will ask you your language, let's say it's English, continue. And it will ask you your email ID or this. So here just fill this and so you can see that our Flipkart is working without any issues. And you can also see all these options over here. So this was Flipkart, and if you want you can keep in other application also, and to uninstall any application just click for it for a while, then click on uninstall and then OK. And if you want Google Chrome, then you have to download it from Play Store. Google Chrome. Just search Google and here it is. Just click on install and wait for it to be installed. And over here, if you don't want to download it, there is already a browser over here. Whenever you will open it, there will be a website like this. Just type in whatever you want to. For example, if you want to go on to YouTube, I will just search YouTube over here and you can see that it is working on Google. If you want, you can download Google also. And if you don't want, you can do that also. And this website is also working properly. Here you can see that. And if you want to use this emulator on full screen, just click OK. And now it is on full screen. But I would prefer you to keep it like this for better performance. So let's see if our Play Store, if our Google is downloaded or not. Search for Google and it's installed now. If you open it, as you can see that Google is also working over here. And we can also use this. Example, if you want to ask. So, as you can see, I searched for how many bones in the human body and it's working perfectly, and you are seeing me also for a long time now and you are maybe thinking that I am not experiencing any lag. So that's correct because I am not experiencing any lag at all and it is working perfectly smooth. So guys, this was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did so, smash that like button and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye till then.